Researchers discover massive caves beneath Antarctica where secret life may thrive. By Ivan Petricevic, September 2017, from Ancient Code website. Experts indicate how more than 15 volcanoes in Antarctica that were either known to be currently active or show evidence of recent activity. The newly found cave systems on Antarctica may be home to unknown life forms, as the caves are warm enough to support plant and animals yet to be identified by experts. Experts are very excited. Some of the DNA evidence that we found implies that maybe there are things living in these caves that we know nothing about. There could even be new species. Researchers exploring Antarctica have made a shocking discovery as they've stumbled across extensive cave systems warmed by a near volcano. Furthermore, forensic analysis of soil samples from these caves have revealed intriguing DNA traces of algae, mosses, and small animals. It can be extremely hot inside the caves, even up to 25 degrees Celsius in some caves. You could wear a t-shirt in there and be pretty comfortable, said the lead researcher, Ivan Petricevic from the Australian National University. There's light near the cave mouths, and light filters deeper into some caves where the overlying ice is thin. Ivan Petricevic explained that most of the DNA found in the caves near or beneath Mount Erebus was similar to DNA of plants and animals, including mosses, algae, and invertebrates found elsewhere in Antarctica, but not all sequences could be completely identified. Which means that scientists may have stumbled across completely an unknown species. The Thing. Let's put it in a petri dish and heat up a piece of wire while everybody sits in a circle and see who jumps. I saw that in a movie. This is how you do it. The cave system is believed to have formed after after steam traveling through their passages. This article is translated, folks. It's got grammar errors. Some of the DNA resembled known species. The results of this study give us a tempting preview of what could live under the ice in Antarctica. There might be even a new species of animals and plants, he added. However, Professor Laurie Connell, a co-investigator at the University of Maine, believes that these intriguing traces of DNA do not conclusively prove that plants and animals are living in the caves. I could be one of them, she said. No, I'm kidding. The next steps will be to take a closer look at the caves and search for living organisms, and if they do exist, it opens the door to a new exciting world, she said. Another co-investigator, Craig Carey, of the University of Waikato in New Zealand, recalled that previous research had found that various bacterial and fungal communities lived in the Antarctica's volcanic caves. Researchers also point out that it is not known how many cave systems exist around Antarctica's volcanoes or how interconnected they are, as these subglacial environments may be difficult to identify, reach, or explore without being implanted by an alien DNA probe. The study, Evidence of Plant and Animal Communities at Exposed and Subglacial Cave Geothermal Sites in Antarctica, unquote, was published in the International Journal Polar Biology. Well, folks, these scientists seem to think it's exciting that they're finding brand new pieces of DNA that they can't identify aside from the algae, mosses, and small animals that they found. They've got DNA that they cannot identify. So let's go over underground and we'll clone it and grow it and see what what comes out, what turns. Can't be bad. Anyway, thank you for coming to Plain Mundane Show. Please hit like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. I'm Alex Aquarius. Have a nice day.